What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we're going to be installing an Apexi N1 Evolution R exhaust on a 2023 BRZ. First we're going to remove the two bolts holding the mid pipe to the rear muffler. Next we're going to remove the two bolts holding the mid pipe to the cats. Finally we're going to use an exhaust hanger tool to pop off the exhaust hanger on the mid pipe. Moving on to the rear of the car, the rear muffler is held on by 4 exhaust hangers. To make this removal a bit easier, we use a jack to support the weight of the muffler. The new exhaust is a single exit exhaust, so we won't be needing all 4 of the exhaust hangers. We're going to remove the 2 on the passenger side and temporarily remove the ones on the driver's side so that we can put that onto the exhaust. Now all you need to do is put on the new exhaust into the 2 rear hangers and the one that was previously holding the mid pipe. Finally, we're going to install the mid pipe. To the front, there is a OEM donut gasket. We are going to reuse that, and towards the rear, there is going to be a 2-volt gasket that comes with the kit. In the front, we're going to reuse the nut, spring, and bolt. There should be 2 of these, and in the rear there is 2 nuts and bolts provided in the kit. This concludes our exhaust install. Stay tuned for the exhaust sound clips.